Alright guys, I'm currently at the Blue Flag Beach, which has been started already. It's not inaugurated till now, I don't know exactly why, but still it started already. I'm gonna park over here and then I'll be going over there. Step taken by the government over here, and it looks quite good over here. This beach was completely dirty before 2 years, and now you can see that it's a model beach, Blue Flag Beach, and it just looked like normal, like none other than any like Goa. I don't know exactly. Goa, I think it's far better than Goa, and it's quite clean than Goa, I think. So there is no, you cannot find any kind of bunch of hippies over here doing drugs or something else, at least. So it's a completely alcohol and drug free area, because we know what is Puri. It's a heritage for Hindus over here. So you are not going to find any kind of issues with alcohol or drugs or something else at this moment, at this place over here. And we hope that it's going to encourage each and every people over there to come over here and visit this place. This is quite amazing, I must say, and this just made my evening as well.
Welcome to the Golden Beach, with provisions for the differently abled persons to move around.
So this is a small cafeteria that we're going to open, I think. Just look like that. Alright people, so I sat here around 2 hours, and it's quite peaceful over here. So it feels nice to come this kind of clean places, and I hope you guys will also come. So thanks for watching.